Hey guys, so today I'm about to make an easy, simple dinner. I'm just making spaghetti and meatballs, but I'm also going to pair it alongside with some salad and some papaya juice. This is my papaya right here. So I'm just going to clean it up, chop it up, and we're going to move on to making the juice first. Alright, got my papaya chopped up in the food processor. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to blitz this, strain it, and sweeten it however you want to. Alright guys, in this food processor I have scallions, I have fresh thyme, I have jalapeños, they're over here. This one jalapeno I chopped up, took some of the seeds out. I need some kick. I'm using ground turkey, so I need that heat. As you can see, it's still like fruit residual there, but that's not going to bother this. I rinsed it out. Anyway, I have regular bell peppers over here. I have garlic and I have parsley. You're going to blitz this, and this is what's going to go down inside of the meatballs. Also, some breadcrumbs. I'm using Monterey cheese and egg. Alright, you guys, so first I'm going to start adding my mixture that we did in the food processor down in there. To this, I'm going to add a little egg. I have beat up two, but I think I used egg and a half. You're going to add your breadcrumbs. I am using Italian style breadcrumbs. This is what I'm using. Easy and simple. I'm eyeballing. However, I will have a ingredient measuring list in my description box. That was my Monterey Jack cheese, a little black pepper, just a tad bit, a little rotisserie seasoning or all-purpose seasoning or poultry seasoning, whichever one works. Then you're going to also add some salt. Mix this up and I'm going to start forming my meatballs. Alright, these are my meatballs. They're not perfect, but they're pretty and they smell amazing. They're well seasoned. And yes, and I'm just going to put it right down in my marinara sauce. Now, you could just make your own or you could use store-bought. But I'm not cooking these off like I usually do. I'm putting them right down in the marinara sauce. Alright, so this is my marinara sauce right here. I turned it down because I didn't want it to splash on me. As I'm putting these in. But once it comes back up to temperature, I'll make sure I show you guys what it looks like. Alright y'all, so these are what they look like. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes. I'm going to let it simmer for another 15 minutes and that's pretty much it. My pasta is boiling, so I'm just going to plate it up and let you guys see what they look like. They didn't break apart. They didn't get ruined by putting them down in there. They're perfectly fine and they'll be cooked through once the 15 minutes is up. Alright guys, so I'm going to flavor this up with 4 lemons. To thin it out a bit, I'm going to add another half a bottle of water and some sugar. Mix it up, pop it in the freezer, let it get nice and chilled, and that's it. Alright y'all, so to finish this off, I'm going to sprinkle on more cheese on top. I'm going to turn the stove off and cover it and let the cheese melt on top. I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, so these are what the meatballs look like. I'll insert pictures between clips so you guys can see what the cheese looks like right on top of the meatballs once I cover the pot. Yep, so these are what the meatballs look like. They're so delicious and seasoned. I already tried one. This is the papaya juice right here and some salad that we're going to share. And yep, that's it. And all that's in my salad is tomatoes, cucumber, and spinach. And I'm just going to put some salad dressing. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching my video today, guys, and I'll catch you on my next one. Okay, bye.